How to edit your personal information in Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to edit our personal information. Select the wheel icon, then Preferences. Click the Global Preferences option. Click the Personal Information link. Enter the identity name. Then enter your full name. Click Save when finished. That's it. Your personal information has now been edited. You can return here at any time to update your personal information. You can see the full name we entered shows here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to edit your personal information in Horde.